Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change a call vibration pattern and notification vibration pattern on Apple Watch Series 11. First, open the app library by pressing the digital crown, then navigate to Settings and open them. In Settings, scroll down to Sound and Haptics menu, then open it. Now scroll down until you find Haptics, tap on them. And here you have three options from which you can choose. If you select off, this will disable all haptic feedback. If you select default, it will use the standard vibration strength for alerts, and if you use prominent option, it will provide a more distinct and stronger haptic effect to pre-announce alerts and make them more noticeable. So just choose the option that you like the most, and this way you can change the haptic feedback settings on your Apple Watch. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.